herbicides are what we're going to spray to kill weeds or plants or things like that in the field. And that's traditionally what chokes out a good amount of the crop to where the better plants can't grow in because the weeds are growing so big, or they're taking nutrition from the ground or from the plants around them, so that the yield's going to be significantly lower. So if we can go in and spray these areas, we'll be able to help the yield, and hopefully keep those from coming back next year. Pesticides are for the insects that actually attack the crop or trees or whatever we're spraying. And they can be burrowing insects that can eat the crop and tear away so much to where we spray for those. We can actually even modify what we spray to later in the day, because the insects will actually come out from under the canopy at night and actually get on top of the plant. So if we spray at the very end of the day, which we have the ability to, whereas on planes and helicopters typically don't, but if we spray, then when they come out, that chemical will still be active and it'll kill them a lot better. Funguses are, depending on which region you're in, funguses can wreak complete havoc on it, to where if you get a certain fungus in just one part of the field, it could take over 40, 80, 120 acres within about 10 to 14 days. And we're seeing entire fields be completely devastated by certain type of fungus. So spraying those do come with a higher degree of difficulty, and they are higher rates, but they essentially, to me, are more important than the insecticides and the herbicides, because the funguses will absolutely destroy every bit of that crop. We have the ability to spread solids too. So instead of just putting out liquid and sprays, we have a particle spreader we can put down into the drone, and it'll actually spread all the way from 0.5 all the way up to 5. So that can be seeds, that can be salt, that can be anything else that we want to put through there, to like Japanese millet, things like that to put out. So that will give us the ability to plant in areas we hadn't before. If it's just like a superficial plant, we can go out and plant areas that we couldn't plant based off geography or other factors like that.